Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you. That way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere and you don't end up spending thousands of dollars in future repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Edge, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2014. If you need to find where your alternator fuse is located, you have hidden fuses, make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain about that, where you can find them on Ford Edge, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart on our YouTube channels. We show you how to fix transmissions, engine codes. This channel specifically will be for fuses guys. And we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, if you need help with anything, if you're in the middle of nowhere guys and you need to find, let's say, the fuse on that Ford Edge for a fuel pump, for anti-theft system, alarm system, ignition codes, fuel injectors, anything like that, all you have to do, find the video on our channel, watch it in less than a minute or two, you're back on the road guys. So that's why we make these videos, to save you as much money and time as we can. So guys, the alternator fuses, where you can expect to find them. Now if you guys have problems with alternator not working, you have a dead battery, we have special videos on our channel that will explain what can cause that on Ford Edge, but we will demonstrate on this Ford Edge here. And by the way guys, you have many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know they exist, so we made a special video on our channel about fuse box location on Ford Edge. Check it out. Here for the alternator fuses we need to open the hood. Once you guys open the hood now guys, here on the driver's side next to the car battery, let's zoom in, that's a car battery, that's a fuse box. Press these two tabs here, open the cover, and you're going to find fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So now, which fuses we need to check? Some people call it alternator, some people call it generator. Multiple fuses, right, will be located here. That's the main engine fuse box. None of those are for the alternator. It's a hidden thing guys. So if you come now on the same place, that's your fuse box, but that's your car battery. And here on the positive terminal we have a cover. If you remove that cover, that's the positive terminal right here, you're going to have guys, let me show you, on top two fuses. Those are the main fuses. Check these fuses. If you have problems with the alternator, most likely will be that fuse or that fuse here, but you may have secondary fuses underneath here as well. Those are the two fuses on top, and on the side of the battery you may have up to 4 different fuses as well. If you have problems with alternator or generator on Ford Edge, always check these fuses. So guys, this generation Ford Edge has all kind of different fuses and relays. Fuses and relays that could be really hard to find, especially if you live in a small town, if you're in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement fuse, we couldn't get one, and as a result we were stuck there for a few days until shipment came. So we'll recommend to keep some of those spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind, so that thing doesn't happen with you. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.